kayo lahat ng front para mas maganda yung boses natin para marinig natin kayo lahat. To make Toby and Jax happy. Yung cheers. Ma'am, na-expect kayo naman. Saya naman po yung cheers. Mas maganda kasi kung may tawa sa front. Diba? Everyone, everyone! Let us pray. Sorry, Toby. Okay, to start our Jollibee program. Siyempre na isasayaw ang Jollibee Friends. Let's go. Energy, Jollibee. Morning, morning. Jollitton. Jollitown, Team Park is open. Jollibee and friends are coming. Fun rides are moving. Confidence dancing. Jollitown, Team Park, here we come. Anywhere the kids are exciting. All of the rides are thrilling. Smiles and laughter. And then Jollitown, Team Park, we're having fun. Jollitown. Jollitown Theme Park, come on friends, marching together, there's so much to see at Jollitown Theme Park. Jolly, jolly day, happy, happy day, jolly, happy day. Let's go! Jolly, happy day. Let's all go and play. Once again, magandang umaga sa lahat. Welcome to Jollibee po. Tapos mamaya. Okay, Jollibee together with his friends, Hetty, Popo, to Hurling Young, are excited. Mas malakas pa! B? Ano? Wala na isa pa. Jolly? B? Huwag po natin kalimutan na sa Jollibee, Rita ang saya! Okay, may mga question po kami sa inyo lahat tungkol sa mga friends ni Jollibee. Sina Hetty, si Twerny, si Popo, and si Yam. Kung alam niyo po yung sagot, itaas lang po ating mga kamay. Good morning. Magsunod tayo kay Hetty. Did you know that Hetty would love us up with her fabulous Danny Tikit? Hetty? Alam ko, nandun ang tension ninyo guys. Good morning po. Okay, first question. Dito tayo kay Hetty. Si Hetty ang cheerleader sa barkada ni Jollibee. Ang tanong, mga bata. Mga bata. Anong pagkain si Hetty sa Jollibee? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, ma'am. Anong pagkain si Hetty sa Jollibee?
French fries.
Nauto po na. Allah, hindi nyo alam ang friends si Jollibee. My God. Okay, let's have the mother of Toby. Very good! Si Hetty po isang spaghetti. Okay, next question. Ice cream sa Jollibee.
Sunday.
Anong flavor niya Sunday? Ay, very good! Sumasayaw pa si Jax. Okay, next naman kay Popo. Yun si Popo lang. Yeah! Bakit may yourselves into 5! Yan, dali ang pagkakira kayo eh. One more time, one more! Okay, sana ba ang Team Jazz kaway-kaway? How about the Team Tommy? Grabe talaga yung last play niya. Maganda yung smile niya, napakaganda yung smile. Okay. Now we will play to build the Jollitown Tower dito sa Jollibee. Gamit ang Alright, dapat gano'n ang energy natin. Gaya pa dyan, inom ka talaga ng tubig dyan. Water break ka talaga dyan. Okay, good cards. That's it here. Picture na kayo. Dapat kasama si Toby. Toby and Jax. Toby and Jax. Tom and Jerry. Okay, Toby. Alright, napapicture na si Jax. Yung picture na si Jax, bigyan mo na lang pag sa dalawang bata. Sabi niya, tumakbo agad. Sama ka na lang dyan, ma'am. Sama ka dyan, mami. Sama ka dyan. Jax, lumayo mo dyan. Good. Okay, picture. Smile, smile ka muna, Toby. Look here. Expired na kanyang smile. Okay, thank you, Jaja. Okay, we're going to play the challenge of Jollibee. Heaven to rain, pero tinatawag namin itong Jollibee. May twist, guys. 1, 2, 3.
Where's your shoe?
1, 2, 3, go! Ano ang B? Ganyan? Kaya ba pag gumalik? Go! Hinga yun, di ko yan. Okay, final round. Go! Agoy! Out ka naman, mabuo ka naman. Three, go! Wala! Ano, baby boy? Kahit bata, talo pa rin. Okay, go! Out ka na! Okay, it's time for our laptop time na! Okay, requesting everyone to please.
Ang nakabatang pa ani oy. Asa man ikaw uban kauban wala? Tubi, say hi. Say hi.
Yes, that is our very lovely Jollibee. But everybody say, Hi Jollibee ko!
Hi, Jollibee!
Palakpakan naman dyan! Okay, Jollibee, ibigay mo namin itong regalo mo. Okay, ngayon naman po mag-video tayo guys. Sasabihin nyo, Happy birthday, Toby and Jax. Okay, dapat malakas. 1,